Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, back once again. And today we're making Killa cans. And what are we making them from? We're doing a Toybash, and we're using all the bits and connectors that we got from the Junk Bots terrain box. Well, it's not a terrain box, but we've turned them into terrain boxes. And also using cheap ass Lego. So, using those bits, I was able to knock them together to make a rudimentary kind of body. So there's the arm bits and the bottom bits, the legs and feet. We're just recycling as much as we can from those kits, because we've used them to make terrain, but we're also using them to make our junk bots. Now you can see here we've made the bases, and that was with the circular hole cutter that we got to make the exact base size. So this is 60 centimeters apparently. That's what the Killa cans come on. And so, yes, stuck them on. And then we've just added a whole bunch of bits. So you can see that's a Lego gun barrel there. It'll save me having to paint out the inside. And we've made the card saws, all the usual greeble and gubbins. There was like a fire extinguishers and all sorts of crap in the packs. So I've just attached those on, as well as a whole bunch of greebles and other panels and things. Hello there, and we're back! And here they are, all painted. But we're not quite finished yet. No, no, no! We're still going to add on some wires and stuff. So I've got a tub here, and it's full of different wires and such like, but it's not got all of my different coloured wires. I'm going to have to strip some more cables to get some more of the coloured ones, I think. Just to give them a little bit more juice. But I also thought, well, some of these guys are missing a little something. Like this guy's head is a little bit too big. I mean, it's perfectly okay, don't get me wrong. But I thought, you know what he's missing? He's maybe missing those 80s shoulder pads. Oh yes, they're all the rage. Everybody loves them, don't they? Yes. Okay, maybe they were a bit crap, but you know, for orcs and these sorts of things, it'll work. And I've got the perfect solution. I found these things. I got some of these egg toy things, and it's basically like cheap ass Lego from China. And I was gonna open up one of these things, because you get the different kind of Legoid toys. And the beautiful thing about these is the tires. Fortunately, I've got one pre-opened here, and there's the tires that you get, and look at those treads, and the proper rubber as well, so very, very nice. I've since cut off the labels because it's not going to make a whole lot of difference, but for one of these egg things for £2, I thought, absolute bargain, and I'll be able to use some of these Lego bits for other things, like making molds and casting blocks and the such like. So with these, what I've done is I've cut one of these in half, very easy with a pair of sprue cutters. It doesn't take much at all because it's rubber. And I figured, right, well, I can just start lumping it on. And there we go. A couple of tires on his shoulder, and bam, what a difference. Makes him look even more orky. Or maybe not. Maybe I need to get it at just the right angle or something. Anyway, I'll play around with that until it works. It's another option for you. And I thought, that's quite cool. You know, nice way to inform you guys of some decent bargains that are going around. But don't pay too much for them, because they're not that great. Anyway, so we've got that. We're going to add some wires. We'll add some tires maybe. And I'll stick it on the rotating display stand so you can see them in all their glory. That's it for me, so take care. Good riddance. Bye.